One sunny day, Chip and Willow were visiting Ash Farm.
Do they have lions on the farm, Willow?
Asked Chip.
No, Chip. They all have cows, pigs, sheep, and chickens,
said Willow.
I want to feed the chickens. Only if Farmer Ash says you can. I think the chickens are this way.
Willow and Chip find an empty chicken coop. Farmer Ash comes out to see them. Oh, hello, Chip. Hello, Willow, said Farmer Ash.
Good morning, Farmer Ash,
said Willow.
Can we feed the chickens?
Said Chip. Well now, seems like those cheeky chickens have gotten away from the coop again. I'm afraid you won't be able to feed them today, kids. They're hiding somewhere on my farm and they're quite clever at it too.
Escaped? How many chickens were there, Farmer Ash?
Farmer Ash thinks. There were 1, 2, 3. There were 3 chickens altogether.
We'll help you find your chickens, Farmer Ash.
They hear a chicken sound.
That sounded like a chicken.
I reckon that were from the cow shed.
Can you spell cow? K-R-W. Cow.
Willow, Chip and Farmer Ash are going to the cow shed looking for the chickens. Can you see any chickens?
Can you see anything, Chip?
Said Willow.
I can see a cow,
said Chip.
and some milk, and a baby cow with feathers.
Oh, that's one of me calves, said Farmer Ash.
Yes, a baby cow is called a calf.
Yeah, I know that, but I don't recall my calves having feathers.
It's a chicken! It's a chicken! It's a chicken!
Ah, good job, children. You found one of me chickens. Farmer Ash has put the chicken back in the coop. Right, 3 chickens were missing, and we found 1. How many are left to find, Willow? Said Farmer Ash.
1, 2. 2 chickens are still lost,
said Willow. They all hear a familiar sound.
That sounded like a chicken,
said Chip. I reckon that were from the pigsty.
Can you spell pig? P-I-G. Pig!
Willow, Chip and Farmer Ash have gone to the pigsty looking for chickens. Can you see any chickens?
Can you see anything, Chip?
Asked Willow.
I can see a pig in the mud,
Said Chip.
and I can see a hut and a baby pig with wings.
That's called a piglet, said Farmer Ash.
Ah, so a baby pig is called a piglet?
But I don't recall piglets having wings.
It's another chicken!
Well done, children. You've found another one of me chickens. Farmer Ash has put the chicken back in the coop. Right. 3 chickens were missing, and we found 2. How many are left to find, Willow?
1. Just 1. There is 1 chicken left to find.
There is a chicken sound.
That sounded like a chicken.
I reckon that came from me sheep field.
Can you spell sheep? Sir. Her. Her. Sheep.
Willow, Chip and Farmer Ash are in the sheep field looking for chickens. Can you see any chickens?
Can you see anything, Chip?
Asked Willow.
I can see a sheep and a tree and a baby sheep with a beak.
That's called a lamb, said Farmer Ash.
Ah, so a baby sheep is called a lamb?
Said Willow. But I don't remember lambs having beaks,
There's a chicken behind that lamb.
said Chip. Ah, well done, children. You've found one of me chickens. Farmer Ash has put the chicken back in the coop. Right, 3 chickens were missing, and we've found 3. How many chickens are left to find, Chip?
We found 1, 2, 3. So there are no chickens left to find.
Well done, children. We've found all the chickens. Phew, that work has made me hungry. Now who fancies a pie?
Yay! What type of pie, Farmer Ash?
Asked Willow. They hear a familiar sound.
That sounded like a chicken.